YouTube, we're back. This is episode 2 of fishing in the backwaters. Today we're fishing at Triangle State Park. Once again, we're fishing at a different spot now. We're fishing at Pine Lake. There's a little boat ramp right here. As you can see, there's another person here, but it's whatever. Barrett's not with us today. It's just me and Ben. We're on the kayaks, as you can see. And I made this very professional mount for my camera. Very sturdy, so it ain't going nowhere. Okay, so for the comment, the lucky comment, so on our solo, like my video yesterday, or I don't know when it'll be uploaded, but the last video, how was my solo video, we'll not be doing the comments on that, but anything but solo, we're gonna do the lucky comment. So if you don't know what the lucky comment is, if you're new, comment on the video. If you're new, comment on the video. If you've been watching, comment anything on this video for a chance to win a shout out. Okay, picking winner in 3, 2, 1. I don't know what that says. Oh shit, 3, 2, 1, yeah. Caleb Martin, I appreciate your service, boys. Keep making vids.
Hey.
Thank you, Caleb.
Wait, let's try this again. Comment will be right there on Cameron's head.
It'll actually be there this time. Good job, Caleb. Hoping to see you next year.
Go follow the Instagram
post. Yeah, go Instagram, TikTok. It's just me pointing. YouTube, right here. Saucy swimmer, 3.3 inches. That will be good. It's already got some scent, but you already freaking know. Put the swamp donkey sauce.
Those are good with just JKs. What does that smell like?
It's not actually bad. It almost smells like barbecue sauce, not even lying. Put the swamp donkey sauce on it. If you're really not putting swamp donkey sauce on your shit, Ben, can I put some swamp donkey sauce on your jig?
No.
It's like eating a prime rib without barbecue sauce.
What are you talking about?
If you don't put swamp donkey sauce on your stuff,
yeah,
it's like.
What does a prime rib have to do with barbecue sauce?
If you're not eating a prime rib with barbecue sauce, what the fuck's the point of eating a prime rib then? We're gonna get on the water.
I'll be back with you in about
0.5. Boom. Ready? This shit's the reason I had to freaking stop on my solo video, is all this stuff. Look at it right here. Look at it right there. It's just piles and piles and piles. And the bad thing is the bass like freaking sitting under that stuff because it's shade. Got one? Yep. Let's go.
Got all.
Fuck. Had one. Was it a big hit?
It was a big, really big hit. I don't know about the fish.
Damn.
And when I'm reeling, you got one?
Yeah. God dang, boy. Oh! Dude, this is the same fish I caught the other day, I swear to God. Because I broke its mouth. First fishy. Got a messed up mouth. First fishy. Release. Okay, we're switching lakes. There was a dude there, and we didn't really want to bother him. Plus, we weren't catching much. So, we're going to move to the lake. Another lake, kayak there. We'll maybe do another one after that. I don't know. We'll figure it out later. Oh my God, we're back. We're at Little Beaver Lake. Little Beaver Lake.
Triangle State Park.
Yeah, we're in Little Beaver Lake in Triangle State Park. Never fished here before. Looks pretty good. Cause we commented.
I got a fish.
Like us. Okay.
Bluegill bit that.
The fucking ass of it wouldn't even fit in its mouth. Yeah. It's a pretty big bluegill though.
It was also hooked in the side of him with the back trail hook.
Damn. It is bluegill
right in the side of its mouth. I saw my pole moving and I was like, it's gotta be a fish. I just don't know if it's a big one. So I set the hook and I thought I didn't have anything because the crankbait pulls pretty hard. You said, I got a fish. Yeah, because I could see it in the water. Because show them this water, it's nasty.
It is nasty. Can't even see the bottom. It smells like shit.
Go away, little buddy.
Oh my God. There's a beaver right there. We're in Little Beaver Lake and there's a beaver right there, bud. There's a freaking beaver right there. Got one. Let's go. Oh, it's a puppy. No, it's not. Oh, is it? Oh my God. It's a fucking nice one. Holy shit. Really?
Catch a freaking bass. That's a huge one.
Let's go. See you later, alligator. Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
Fuck. Okay guys, we are gonna go on a lunch break and then we're going to another lake. Sorry if this video is freaking long as hell, but we like making content for you guys. We like fishing, so boom, why not put it together? We'll be back after lunch break. We're going to a few other lakes. Woo! Okay, we're back. We had some troubles getting out to this lake. It's kind of a hidden lake. We had to go through that thing. It's not really a boat dock, but that could mean good things because that means less people have fished here. But we had some troubles. Ben's shoes kind of got muddy in the process. We're gonna go to this lake and then go to another lake and we'll probably be done for the day. Hopefully we can catch something. Got it. Oh, I had it. Yeah. There's one. Oh yeah, I had it. I can see him get it. Jesus, there's fish under here.
Oh, I got one. What? Did I have one?
Okay, what?
Look.
Hey, I'll show the freaking moss right here. As you can see on here.
I casted right into that, and I thought I was just reeling in moss, but apparently there was a fish on it. It's not tiny, but
no.
Here, can you pull me up?
Yeah.
Let's see if it goes right down in here. Not right now. What?
So, if you guys want a quick tip for, I guess, the season right now, or it may just be the place I'm in, it seems like every fish we've caught today, we've caught it in the shade, under trees. I'm gonna test this theory real quick. Oh, watch this, Ben. Do a 360 on this peak. Yeah. Take it. Yes, sir. Oh, that was right in front of the camera. Get the release. See you later. Got one? Decent one? Bet.
Not bad, about a pound.
Big on a fishy?
He bit it once and then I missed him the first time and then I went back 2 casts later and got him.
Bet. There's a lot of fish out here.
Yeah, no, we should get you home.
Oh my God. What? Bet. Damn.
Yeah.
Leave a like for that.
It's got a big old mouth too.
It does have a big old mouth.
Alright, so let me go back
Let's
to his
go.
home. Let's see how long he is. Pretty long. Alright. Ready to go back home.
See you later. Got this Guggen topwater popper. It's got a little feather tail on it, so you know what that means. You already know what that means. Swamp donkey sauce. Watch this, I'm gonna make a little platter right here. Make a little platter of swamp donkey sauce, and I will bang bow. Oh yeah, I forgot you got a shit. Oh yeah! Oh my God, that was cool!
I set the hook way too. Did you see me set the hook?
No. Did you set it hard?
Hard. I watched it bite it. Yeah, I wish that would have got that on camera.
Did you?
Hey, perfect hook set though.
It is. See you later. Whip that bitch in there, cuz. Why does it keep fucking up, bro? Pin it. Shit. No, it came off. Oh, look at that.
What?
Something's still getting it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see that shit? Fucking bass came up and ate it, but missed. Oh, hit it again. Got it. Yeah, your popper should fucking work.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Just got my first official popper. I've never probably fished on a popper before. Actually, just had one on before this one. This one's tiny, but the first one was a lot bigger than this one.
Yeah, you got back to back.
Yeah, but
First fish on the
it came off right at the boat, but I don't even feel that small. I'm not quite fishing the popper. That's all I wanted to do. So I'm just gonna release them. I think we're gonna be done here in a second.
Yep.
So yeah, there it goes.
Later. All right, guys. We had to make an outro. It is approximately 8:26 right now. We forgot to make an outro. Yeah, so I drove over to his house to make an outro. But that'll be all for today's video. Go watch last video. Stay tuned for more videos.
Next week, hopefully, I'm gonna be having something big
Yep.
going.
Can't say what, but we just got the good news that his camera will get here before he goes. So that's good.
This video is probably going up this Monday. Hopefully, probably Monday, and then hopefully this Yahoo can upload a video while I'm gone.
Probably will. Definitely.
Maybe buried.
Yep.
So, and then we'll have some more videos this week, and then I'll definitely have one out next week for you guys, my own video. Two coming for sure. But yeah.
Yeah, if you're watching this right now, comment. Literally just pause the video, comment ideas. We need more ideas. We have a lot in our head, but we need a lot more ideas. We want what you guys want, so.
The comment, we gave the winner at the beginning of the video, but I'll just tell you right now, comment for the next video.
Yeah.
We're only gonna be doing the shout out for the comments and like fishing in the backwater videos.
Yeah, it'll be kind of this thing instead of our solo videos, but yep, that'll be all. Like, comment, follow us on Twitter, TikTok. We don't have a Twitter. Instagram, TikTok.
I'm pretty sure we put the TikTok and Instagram at the beginning. Don't forget.
I won't. But go follow. Good content
Links
on
in the
there.
description.
Yep. Go.
Got a few partnerships on Instagram. We'll be releasing that soon.
Yep.
I got one individual one, and we got one for sure as a team, and then hopefully another one as a team.
You can click on Giltex in the description right now. That's the one we have for sure. But yeah, Falcon Hooks is his. That shit will be coming soon.
I'll be ordering some Falcon Hooks and be doing a little bit of reviews, and also Giltech. We got some 5 baits from Giltech.
5 jigs, yeah.
5 jigs.
5 jigs.
So yeah, we'll do some videos with those jigs.
Yep.
Yep.
Go click on the link. You have to click on the link in the bio for our shit to work. You just can't go to Giltech. You gotta click the one in the.
We'll give you a code too if you want to buy something off of there.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
I'll see y'all later. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye. Yeah.